Welcome back on this Monday. The first thing that I think you should know is that there are no severe thunderstorm watches in effect, no tornado watches in effect, and no severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings are in effect at this point. However, we do have some rain out here to the west in Clark County, Illinois, and over into Effingham County and down into Clay County, Illinois. But the biggest area of focus would be here in Daviess County and Martin counties, where a very strong thunderstorm is slowly moving through, and this is producing gusty wind and some very heavy amounts of rain. And also this line of thunderstorms right here in the eastern part of Greene County and parts of Owen County, that also is producing some very heavy rain. So be advised that these occasional thunderstorms will continue through the nighttime tonight. And if you get in the midst of one of these things, you can very well find yourself with some gusty wind. We had a report of a tree limb down, part of a big tree limb down here in Terre Haute, hit a guy's car and knocked out some power. And so that's what we're dealing with. And right in through here, right in here, there is a cold front, and it's very slow moving. It is moving so slowly that it's going to take a while. Sometimes cold fronts blast through. They move much quicker in the wintertime than they do in the summertime. So this lumbering cold front is coming through, and until it passes through, we will continue to have the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. It's 74 degrees now. The temperature has risen a degree. After a high of 89, it dropped to 73 degrees. Now it's 74. It's 82 in Robinson, 81 in Vincennes, and 77 in Linton. The wind is from the southeast in Terre Haute at 3, Paris 9, and Robinson 6. So it's not real breezy. The only time you get any real wind is when you get into one of these thunderstorms or near one of these storms. Heat index is not a major problem at this point. So let's take a look at the Storm Team 10 Futurecast as we go through. This is midnight tonight, still the possibility of storms around, and see what happens into tomorrow, into the morning hours tomorrow. Here's tomorrow afternoon at 2 p.m. That's the consequence of that front going through, which eventually will go through about 24 hours from now. Then we'll have our chances of rain diminish. Occasional storms, heavy rain likely out of these storms tonight. And then for tomorrow, thunderstorms still possible, an overnight low of 73. And then thunderstorms tapering off tomorrow night, an overnight low of 68 as the wind shifts to the west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then Wednesday, a far less chance of rain, only about a 20% chance, a high of 84. Thursday, a little better chance of rain and a high of 84. And actually a day-to-day chance of rain through the weekend, but probably not as great as what we're going to have tonight and tomorrow.